In this video right here, I'm quickly going to show you a before and after of when we apply varnish to our high quality canvas art prints that we got done from a print on demand shop. When you apply varnish, you're going to enhance the colors and saturation, put a nice protective layer on top of it, and all of those things should hopefully increase the value of your artwork. Now, the art prints that you see here are high quality giclée prints. However, there is no clear coat process on top of them. There's no clear coat, no glass coat, no lamination coat on top of this. It's just the bare color on the canvas, which means it can accept varnish. Now, this canvas right here, we're going to apply a high quality Winsor Newton spray varnish that you see right here. And on the other canvas, we're going to apply a brush varnish, Liquitex gloss varnish, so that way you can compare and contrast which one you like most or see which one is better receiving for a high quality giclée art print. Now, this video is not a tutorial on how to apply varnishes on your canvas. First, you need to know how to prep your canvas for varnish, which is a video that you can see over to my right-hand side. Then, if you need to know how to use spray varnish or brush varnish, you can check out the videos over to my side, then come back to this. Now onto the montage with that copyright-free music that we all love and the only thing I can afford. Let's start with the spray varnish first. When we look at the after image, we can easily see that the blacks have been enhanced. In fact, the entire landscape has more contrast to it, making our colors look a little more saturated and vivid. It even gave it a semi-smooth, protective coating across the entire painting. When we take a look at the brush varnish, the results are more noticeable. You can easily see the contrast has been enhanced, and even the colors are just more vivid. Plus, you get a nice high gloss reflective finish, and when you take your fingers across it, it is just super smooth to the touch. The results might be a little hard to see on camera with the studio lights and the window that I have, but trust me, when you're done varnishing your art prints, they just look better. It gives it that little extra pop that's gonna help you sell. Plus, I think it's actually mandatory, if you can do it, to put a varnish coat on so that way it protects your art for when you sell it to potential buyers. Because trust me, that little extra step will go a long way. Now, I only did 2 coats of varnish on each artwork that you see here. And you know what? I am liking the results, but I'm curious to know if I added 3 or 4, how that would look and how it would feel. And if you're interested in that, you know what? I think I'll just put that on my Instagram. So make sure you follow me on Instagram. If you want to learn more about any of the print surfaces that I've used, you can check out the videos over my side, or any of the products that I use for varnishing, you can check that over to the side, or better yet, down in the video description where you can help support my channel. And hey, while you're down there, don't forget to hit like and subscribe and leave me a comment on how I can help you on your art journey. And don't forget about my book, which will help you sell your awesome artworks just like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Hard to hold. I'm not sure how to put these down. Be gentle.